Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on shutting down your Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, click on the Apple button in the top left corner. Choose Shut Down from the drop-down menu. If you don't do anything else, your Mac will shut down in 1 minute. You can click Shut Down to make it shut down immediately. You can check the checkbox to reopen Windows when logging back in if you like. If you have a Touch ID button in the top right corner of your keyboard, you can use this button to shut down your Mac. Just hold it down until it goes to the login screen, then keep holding until the screen goes black. Your Mac is shut down. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.